I think I've outdone myself. Wow. I would not refuse such a delicious dish. Hands off! I've been making this cake for so long and it's not for you. Or for me. Now, give it to me quickly. What a whore! Look what you've done! The cake is ruined. That's it, Monica. You'll have to get to know this cake better. Oh, really? So some kind of cake is more important than your friend? Then get it. How dare you throw my cake at me? We'll be able to solve this conflict in only one way. A challenge. Wow. Monica, you're the first to spin the wheel. No, I don't want a cactus. And here it is. I would not refuse cream. You can't do that. Cactus means cactus. You're out of luck. But don't worry. Then I'll be lucky. And you'll be happy for me. Let's see. Hooray! I told you! There's nothing better than Hubba Bubba gum. Especially when there are a whole bunch of them. I want to get them out of the boxes as soon as possible and paste them on the cake. Yeah. I think it will be something very tasty.
Awesome!
So far, I've got the brightest cake I've ever seen. And that's not all. And I can make a heart out of the remaining gum to make my cake even more beautiful. So good. Monica, what do you think? It's very cute. It's time to try it. It's unrealistically delicious. I want to eat such a cake all at once. Can I at least try a heart? No, I'll eat it myself too. Do you want to see the biggest bubble in your life?
What's the matter with you?
You didn't want to share with me, and I don't want to look at your bubble. Get it! How dare you! My whole face is sticky now! Stop laughing! You'd better eat your cactus cake. How can I eat it? The cactus is so pricky. Got that. If you get rid of the needles, then the cactus will not cause serious problems. But nail scissors will obviously not be enough. And these are too big. I think these clippers are perfect to trim a cactus.
What?
How boring it is. Ready. Now there's only one thing left. Grate the cactus on my cake.
What's the matter with you?
It looks really cute. Okay. It looks pretty good. Stop talking. It's time to eat. I hope it tastes as good as it looks. Oh no. It's like eating a grass-flavored cake. Disgusting. Enjoy your meal. I want to be the first to spin the wheel. Are you kidding me? I hate mussels. Why am I so unlucky? Because I am lucky. I got the cream! And I'm going to pour it on the cake right now to make it even tastier than it is. The main thing is to shake it well. Ready! Now you can eat it!
What?
Santa Claus, what are you doing here? The New Year's not coming soon. Very funny. You're just jealous of me because I have a whole cake poured with sweet cream. Oh, so good.
Yeah!
I wouldn't refuse of such a thing. There's a cake waiting for you too, with mussels. They're so nasty.
Hey!
And so tough. Well, because of them, I lost a tooth. After this, I won't touch them at all anymore. You just don't know how to eat them at all. You don't have to eat shells. The main thing is what inside. Look how delicious it is. That's what you should dump on your cake. What a stink. Do I have to eat them? Of course. And as soon as your hand rises, how can you spoil such a delicious cake? I'm going to throw up just looking at it. And I'm really going to be sick right now. Wow, Susie. Have a huge pearl here. Susie, get off. I'm the one who opened the muzzle, so it's mine. Give it back. Give it to me. And the pearl is mine too. Oh no. And where's it now? I have to find it first. Oh. Why is it you? I'll find it. It's mine. Oh no, there's nothing. Apparently, we got smeared in mussels and cake just for nothing. This time, it's my turn to spin the wheel first. Oh yes, I dreamt about it. I would get these marshmallow sticks. I dreamt of it. With them, the cake will sparkle with new flavors. And they also make cool pigtails. Nothing cool. Let's see what I have. This is clearly not my day. This time I got a whole bunch of noodles. Yeah, with which you'll have to decorate the cake. What are you waiting for?
Okay.
Okay, there's nothing to do. Done. I've never tasted such a strange combination of flavors.
Oh no!
Yeah, it's just disgusting. What a nasty crunch! We need to plug our ears as soon as possible. Bingo! Idea! If you pour boiling water over the cake, the noodles will become much softer and more pleasant. Beautiful! Now I have a nice dish to have lunch with. Woohoo! I like it.
Hey, you!
While Monica's choking on the noodles, they're stuck to the cake. I will decorate my cake with marshmallows.
Awesome!
There it is. That's beautiful.
Could you please?
Monica, don't even dream about it. You said you were having lunch, so have lunch. And I will enjoy it. I don't think Susie will be offended if I borrow one. Don't be greedy. Hey, give it back to me. Ow! What have you done? Almost hit myself. But it was the most delicious punch in my life.
Come on!
Okay, rock, paper, scissors. Who turns it first? Hooray! I won! No! Pepper! Monica, you infect me with bad luck. What a whore. Hope I get lucky this time.
Oh,
Finally!
really?
I'm so glad I can eat my cake and not wines.
No!
Hey, you!
I wish I could decorate it with these delicious marmalade gummies as soon as possible. Yes. We need to dump everything on the cake. Oh, beautiful.
Awesome!
Oh, I'm so happy. I'm gonna eat something very, very good. No, Susie, I won't feed you. I'll eat it all myself.
Awesome!
Oh, they're so good. So tasty. Monica, do you think I won't be able to take at least one eye for myself? Oh, greedy. How long have I been waiting for this? Finally, I can eat this cake with pleasure. That's speed. And the last marmalade eye, I'll eat it in an unusual way. It didn't work out. But I can't do it. They're so delicious. Thief, it's time for you to eat your peppers. Oh no, I'm even scared to look at them. Hope I don't burn up from them inside. Come on, I'll help you. Hurry up and cut this fiery monster. Well, let's do it. Oh, I took one bite, but I can already feel this fire spraying all over my body. That's not enough. Mike, you need to finish it. I didn't know you were so cruel. Oh no! Fire's too much. It's time to save Susie. Oh, it's much easier that way. Thank you, Monica. Is it red pepper? Oh, so many nasty red peppers! What's Mike got there? Oh no! What a huge mountain of creepy peppers! Someone is very unlucky. Come on, Mary. Well, you go first. Okay, well, whatever. Let's go. Well, everything seems to be okay so far. How is she eating it? Ugh. So, I did it. Oh, how hot it is!
No!
I'm going to explode! How bad! Oh, I even got a burn! Oh, I have something to cool it down. Thank you so much, Mike.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mia, your turn.
Oh no!
Oh no! How I hate these red peppers! Or just a nightmare! How tasteless! Oh, poor Mia. How does she eat them? Some of the peppers have been eaten. Let's go. There's still a bit left. Where did the new peppers come from? Oh, great. My plan is working, and Mia will not notice how she eats it. What are you up to, Mike? Okay, my revenge will be terrible and swift. Get it! Mike, you got what you deserved.
No!
How hot it is! I'm burning up! Steam is coming out my ears! Mia, you're just like a steam train. I can't keep the fire inside me! I'm exploding! We must save ourselves. The situation is out of control. Well, I have a fire extinguisher. Oh, it hurts. Time to cool off. Thank you! It seems like we're saved.
What?
What a face you have, Mia! You're like Santa Claus! Huh. Whatever. It's definitely your turn now, Mike. No, please! I think I'll pass. Well, no. You can't get out of it. Okay, let's get started.
Hey, you!
Oh, how spicy! Oh. Wow, will he really eat it all? Oh, how bad! Oh, poor Mike. Okay, there's only one pepper left. Oh no, I'm burning up! I'm going to explode! I'm flying! Oh, now I'm falling! I'm falling! I need more fuel! Great! It worked! I'm in space! Where's Mike? I have a spyglass. Okay, I'll try to look as well. Wow, I'm in zero gravity! What a cool Chupa Chups I have! How many cool Chupa Chups I have! Mike, look what Mary's got! Wow, I have a whole mountain of cool Chupa Chups. Mia, come on, start. Yeah, I just have only one Chupa Chups. I'll be fast. Hey, come on, open up. Come on, open up. Oh my gosh. Yeah, where's the candy? Well, that's it. Time to eat it without the stick. It's still good. Got it. How yummy! Strawberry Chupa Chups is my favorite. Cool. Come on, Mike, eat your Chupa Chups. Look, Mia, what a cool Chupa Chups I have. Let's take it out of the packaging. Yeah. And now I'm going to need a hammer. Ha! Great! Ha! This is so cool! Hey, be careful, Mike!
Yeah!
Great. Now I have a delicious Chupa Chups sugar crumb. And here's the bowl for it. Let's pull all the crumbs in a bowl. Like this, and now we dip the Chupa Chups in the sprinkles.
Yeah!
Super yummy thing is ready! Oh, how delicious it is! Mmm, how yummy! And now, the main thing! Oh yeah! This yummy topping is incredible! Come on, Mary, start! Eat your mountain of lollipops! How do I unwrap the Chupa Chups? An idea. Hey, Mary! You seem to be blowing the wrong direction! Oops, I'm sorry, guys. I didn't it on accident. Let's get to work! How awesome is that? Okay, it is time to eat all of them. Mmm, how delicious it is! So good! More Chupa Chups! How appetizing she eats! Share a piece with us, Mary, please. Dream. No! Wait, what is it? I can't open my mouth! Mary, you got caught! Please help me! Okay, what do we do? We'll have to help her. Pull! 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 Okay, let's try it a different way. Finally worked. I need to put my jaw back. Like this. Super. Everything seems to be in order. We saved her. Give me a 5. 1 green?
Okay.
A few corn kernels? I don't even know what to do. Wow, how many corn kernels there are! Come on, Mia, eat. What to do? It's so hard! I got an idea! Look what I have! With the help of this iron, I can make beautiful popcorn! We just need to wait a little. While you wait, you can just die from boredom. Yeah, it's a bit long. Yes, it worked! What? Oh, congratulations, congratulations! Wow, real popcorn! How delicious! It's a pity there's so little of it. Mike, it's your turn now. Okay, what can I come up with? Ha! I have an iron! It's time to cook some delicious popcorn too!
Yeah!
How cleverly I came up with it! Wow! How cool did Mike do it? And I have more popcorn than Mia! Ah! How it hurts! We need to cool this burn fast! What a loser you are, Mike! Okay, it's your turn, Mary.
Bingo!
Oh, I have an idea. I wonder what she's up to. That's what I have, a mini popcorn machine. Wow, how cool! The remaining part is to put my hand up and eat. That's so cool! I want more and more popcorn! More popcorn! Wow, there's a whole sea of popcorn! Oh, I'll fill up everything that's left. Oh, what's going on? Oh, it seems to be that something's going to explode! Oh! It's raining popcorn! Whoa! Oh no! And I think it's time to eat. Wow, what a cool basket! Oh, Mike, your basket is too small. Oh, laugh all you want. Wow, me has such a huge bucket! Wow, I love wings! What are you looking at, Mike? Eat your chicken! How delicious it smells!
Pig!
Oh yeah! Okay, I've been drooling on this drumstick pretty well. Okay, I think I can start eating it. Oh no! I think I have choked! No! Oh, thank goodness. Mike, you're such a loser. Oh, you made me laugh, Mike. Hey, what are you doing?
No.
You shouldn't be a bully.
Okay.
Okay, now it's my turn. How delicious is this chicken? So good. It's so crunchy. Just love it. How appetizing she is.
Yeah.
More and more of this chicken.
She seems to be busy eating wings. I'll steal one. She won't notice.
What? Where's the last piece? Mike, give it back. That's it. You'd better wear a basket on your head.
You're so mean, Mary. Well, you could have shared.
Well, that's it. Now finally, it's my turn. How yummy is that? It's so good. Mary, you were right. I can't even stop.
I think she's going to burst.
More wings, more!
Maybe I'll get a piece over here.
Hey, what are you up to, Mike?
Oh, sorry, Mia. Oh, I can control her with a wing.
Ha!
That's so cool. Mia, there you go. And burst it off the chicken. Great, Mary. Now Mia's basket is ours.
How good.
I just can't tear myself away. It's so good.
Okay, I'm back. I found the chicken.
Well done, Mia. Well done.
Yes, I'm good. I'm like that. What? Why is my basket empty? No, not that. It was you. I know that. You ate my chicken.
Oh, sorry. It was too delicious. We couldn't resist.
Don't switch. There are a lot of cool new challenges and cool treats ahead of you. Click the bell and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss anything.